Hello, 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 my yarny friends. Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today I am showing you my last week's dishcloth. There, sorry, just blanked out. I'm showing you my dishcloth that I made from last week's drawing of Duck Duck dishcloth. It was the triangle block, and I didn't do it exactly like this one said. Um, you make 4 triangles, so it's like this section right here, and you make 4 of them and sew them together. I did that, but I just did not do the outside green part. I did not do the trim on the outside. And where is mine? Well, there's my granny. I just got that out to show you. I'm losing it. I am absolutely losing it. I just got that out on my, oh, good night. It's on my lap. Y'all, I'm telling you, my brain is not working right. So anyhow, here's the picture again. And like I said, mine, I did not put the outside edging on it. So this is what mine looks like. And I think it's cute. I love it. And I'm going to leave it just like this. So there's my dishcloth for Duck Duck dishcloth from last week. It's a little off. I don't know. I just don't, I'm really not, it's not my favorite one. So we're going to put it in the pile. Somebody might like it. And yesterday, Missy drew for the next dishcloth, and I'm really excited to make this one. This was cute. It is called the pot scrubber. It's this one right here. It's called the pot scrubber. And I'm like Missy. If you watched her videos, it calls for a size 3 by 4.5 size scrubby sponge. Just like Missy, I don't like these either. They collect food. It's hard to rinse them out. Yuck. Germy, the whole 9 yards. I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is, and I don't know what colors I'm going to use yet. You'll have to wait and see next week when I show you what mine looks like. But I'm going to choose 2 colors, but what I'm going to do is take my 1 color of cotton yarn, and I'm just going to crochet a 3 by 4.5 rectangle for the center. I'm not putting a scrubby in there, but I don't like it. So anyway, this is the square that we're doing for next week, the pot scrubber. And in case you're just watching, this is the book we're using. It's the Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths. I got mine from thrift books, and I think I paid like $7 for it, or something like $7 or $8 for it on thrift books. But you can also find it on Amazon. The links for the book, I'm pretty sure, will be in the description box below, and so you can get your copy. But yeah, I'm going to start from from here on out. If you watched yesterday's video, I am going to start doing my dishcloth videos on Friday. Missy puts her video out for Missy's Yarniverse and More. She puts her videos out on Thursday. That's when she draws for the dishcloth. I am already doing a Thursday video, which is the update for the Sophie's Universe blanket. So I'm going to change that up. I'm going to continue to do the Sophie's Universe blanket on Thursdays. And then Friday is going to be my reveal of my Duck Duck dishcloth blanket. And our blanket. Duck dishcloths. Good night. Anyway, so that'll be on Fridays. And let me see, I was going to mention something else and I just completely blanked out. So anyway, this is the book we're using if you want to use it. I am going to I'm saving these up, and I'm using my dishcloths to use for our homemakers groups, homemakers holiday sale fundraiser that we do in November. And I'm going to make up a bunch of these and take those to sell at our homemakers holiday. So that's why I decided to jump on and do these. So I can't wait until she draws. There's one in here that I'm really excited to make. Let me see if I can find it real quick. This one, the Faucet Angel. I just think that's so cute. And you buy a little ring, 3-inch ring. Is that the size? 2-inch, a little 2-inch plastic ring for right here that you crochet around. But I can't wait to make this one. I can't wait till that number is drawn. So what we did is she has little ducks in a box, little plastic ducks in a box. We took the book, and these aren't numbered, so we've numbered them 1 through 31. Yeah, 1 to 31. And each Thursday she does duck, 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 and then goose, and pulls out, and whatever that number is on the duck, that's the dishcloth that we do. So it's really been fun. I'm really enjoying it. And yeah. So I'm going to take it easy today. I'm going to start working on this dishcloth, and I will let you know and show you next Friday what that dishcloth looks like. Stay tuned, because, and if you watch my Sophie's Universe video from yesterday, because I got on there and kind of did a little bit of a update on what's going on with me and what's going on with the channel. So watch that. Not doing every day like I normally do. So go back and watch yesterday's video, and that'll be all the details will be in there. So I'm going to go work on some dishcloths. I hope you guys have an awesome day today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.